Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing how to divide fractions and whole numbers. So it says Mrs. Aker baked muffins. She added 1/2 a cup of sugar to the muffin batter and then divided the batter equally into 12 sections of the muffin pan. What fraction of a cup of sugar will each muffin contain? So you are starting off with 1/2. And we are dividing that by 12, okay? So turn your paper over and we're going to draw a picture on the back. So number 1. Okay, so this is 1/2. And I'm going to shade. And you can just use your pencil. Okay, so again, we start off with 1/2. So that's 1/2. And then I have to divide by 12, which means I have to cut this into 12 pieces. So there's 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I cut it into 12 pieces. And now I want to know how much is one piece. So one of these pieces. Okay, so if you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4. So 24 total, and I only want one of them, okay? So 1 out of 24 would be your answer, which is letter D. All right, number 2. Mr. Cameron has 1/3 of a pan of lasagna represented by the shaded part of the rectangle. He cuts the lasagna into 4 equal pieces for himself and his 3 children. This model shows how Mr. Cameron cut the lasagna. Each share represents 1/3 divided by 4. So again, I want to know how much one person gets. So one person gets one piece of the lasagna. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is your denominator, and one of them is going to be your answer, 1 out of 12. Number 4, a quarter is 1/16 inch thick. Roderick has a stack of quarters that is 8 inches high. How many quarters does Roderick have? So this time we're actually starting with the 8. So we have 8, and this time we're going to divide by 1 out of 16, okay? Now I have something that's called KCF. So that's keep, change, flip, okay? So you keep the first number the same, you change the division to multiplication, and you flip the second number. So instead of having 1 out of 16, I have 16 over 1, okay? This is the same thing as having a 1 underneath. So basically you just multiply 8 times 16, which is 128, and that's your answer. All right, number 4. Francie drew a model to illustrate an expression to find its value. Which equation correctly matches Francie's model? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start off with 4, okay? And we're dividing each one into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1/6. So our correct answer is J. Number 5. Kirk used this equation to solve a problem. I have 1/10 divided by 10. It has to equal 1 out of 100. Which problem could Kirk solve? Okay, so Allie wrote 1/10 of a page of the report every day. What fraction part of the report did Allie write in 10 days? Okay, so this is actually multiplication, 1/10 times 10, and that's not what I want. Billy has 10 pages. Each page represents 1/10 of a page. How many photos did he have? Okay, so this is actually 10 times 1/10 again, so that's not what I want. Letter C, Contessa has 1/10 of a bag of gerbil food. She divided the food into equal portions so that the gerbil had a 10-day supply of food. What fraction of food did Contessa's gerbil receive during each of the 10 days? All right, so this one looks like we have 1/10, and then we're dividing that into 10 days, which is going to give me 1 out of 100. So C is correct. And that's it.